I have slime, and I'm gonna show you my slime. It's just like this blue slime, and I like it because it's just like my type of slime. I do have other slimes. I'm going to show you my whole slime collection in a minute. But yeah. Then let's put it back in here. There. Now, I have that slime, and I'm gonna just go get another slime. I got it. This slime used to be in this tub, but I didn't want it to be in that tub anymore, so I have this pink glittery slime. Smells so good, and it's really poppy. I love it. I have other slimes too, but they're just not in my room. And this slime is super glittery. It glows in the dark too. It is very, very nice. Look at that. It's kind of getting hard because I haven't been playing with it. But whenever I came back on my trip, it was sticky. And now it's all like this. And I think this is the best slime I could ever achieve, because this was the slime I first made. And the blue slime, this was the first slime I made by myself. And then the blue slime, I just bought that slime. There was like 3 tiny packets, and I just bought it. So I put them all together, and it made that like blue texture color that's in here. You can kind of see it. I already showed you the slime. Anyways, I'm not going to show all my slimes today because I only have like 2 more, but one is like purple, and it's really bad because like it's got all sticky on my trip. And I'm going to put this back on.